Hello my dear students. Today we have to discuss arithmetic progression first exercise. Okay. Open your textbook and see those questions. Okay. What is first question? In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involve make an arithmetic progression and why? There they are giving few situations. Okay, in that which one belongs to the what arithmetic progression, whether the given what a situation belongs to arithmetic progression or not, we have to say. So if the given situation is arithmetic progression, we have to check that solution first and see the common difference whether it is same or not. Then we should get a conclusion whether the given situation is AP or not. Okay, in that first one, a taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for the each additional kilometer. They have given question whether it is AP or not. See, one taxi is there, its fare. Fare means it's a what a amount, we should say. Its amount for first kilometer it is 15. Later it's every kilometer 8 rupees additional. For example, if a first kilometer it is 15 means second kilometer 15 plus 8 and third kilometer respective 15 plus 8 means it is 23. 23 plus 8, that is the third kilometer and fourth kilometer. Like that we are getting some amount here. So I will solve the solution. Taxi fare for what first kilometer, that is 15 rupees, isn't it? Similarly, taxi fare what for second kilometer, for second kilometer it is for additional 8 rupees. Initial 15 they have to pay. Later for every kilometer we should add 8 rupees, that is 23, isn't it? 15 plus 8 it is 23. Similarly, taxi fare for what third kilometer. Third kilometer means for 23 we should adding 8. We are getting how much? 23 plus 8 it is 31 and so on. So here we are getting some numbers. Those are 15, 23, 31 and next for fourth kilometer it is 39 and so on, isn't it? So whether the given numbers are in AP or not, you have to check. So to check that one, we have to see the common difference between those successor and predecessor. First common difference it is D1, A2 minus A1 you have to do. That is A1, A2, A3 and A4. What is A2? 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is 8. First common difference is 8 between these two. Then second common difference it is 31 minus 23. That is, sorry, here A3 minus A2 you have to do. What is A3? That is 31 minus 23. So that is D2 we are getting 8 again. See, D1 also 8, D2 also 8. Therefore, given numbers is in what? Is in AP. Given numbers are in AP. Okay, then come to the second question. So I hope you have to open your textbook. I will solve only solutions here. Okay, the second questions. See, the amount of air present in cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. See, in a particular cylinder there is some amount of air is present. In that, for every time they have to, what a 1/4 of air we have to take it out from the vacuum pump. Okay, so what is the amount of air present in that? We don't know. Okay, so we have to see that first. That is, let initial volume of air be, we have to take it as V. So that is, let the amount of air present V, we should take it as a V. Let the total amount of air B, we should take it as a capital V. In a first case, first time they have to take a 1/4 of air in this volume. Initial volume of, means initial air present in that cylinder is V. In that 1/4 of V they have to take it out, 1/4 of this initial volume of cylinder. So that is V minus V divided by 4 it is. So take a LCM, you are getting 4 is the LCM. So it is 4V minus V, that is 3V by 4. That is first time we have to take it out from the vacuum pump, that is A1 we have to take. Then second, A2. What is the remaining for a second time? It is, what is the remaining air in that cylinder? That is 3V by 4, because already 1/4 of air we have taken out. Okay, so in that remaining air is 3V by 4. So in that how much air we have to take it out? 1/4 of initial volume. Initial volume means that is 3V by 4 itself, because in that cylinder currently this amount of air is present. So here we are getting 3V divided by 4 minus 3V divided by 16. Take LCM of this one, you are getting LCM is 16. 4 4s are 16, isn't it? 16 1s are 16, 3 4s are what? 12V minus 12V minus 3V. 12V minus 3V means it is 9V divided by 16. We are getting a so this is first one, it is A1 is equals to V. This is second one we should take, and this is third one time we should take. We are getting A3. Therefore we are getting some numbers. Initial volume V, in that 1/4 we have to take, we get 3V by 4, and in that again 1/4 of what air we have to take out, we are getting a 9V by 16. So we are getting some numbers here. Whether this is in a AP or not, we have to check. So for that again we should apply the same rule. This is A1, A2, A3. So we want a D1. What is the common difference? First one, that is what? A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3V by 4 minus V. Take LCM. LCM is 4. 3V minus 4V, that is minus V by 4, isn't it? First common difference we are getting minus V by 4. Second common difference it is A3 minus A2. What is A3? 9V by 16 minus A2 3V by 4 is equals to how much we are getting? 9V. Take LCM, it is 16. That is 9V minus 12V. We are getting what? 3V minus 3V by